What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a PayPal account permanently. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. You just want to log into your PayPal. You can do the same steps on your phone if you are using the app inside your phone. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on this gear in the top right after you open your PayPal account. So to remove it, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to scroll down. Okay, like you want to click on account, and you need to scroll down and you want to click on close your account at the bottom. And PayPal will ask you a few different options. As you can see, it says here, if there is anything we can help with, please contact us before it's closed. You won't be able to use PayPal account or see your past transactions. It can't be reopened. So make sure you are sure that you want to delete your PayPal account permanently, and then you want to click on close account, and then it will ask you, guys, for password. Okay, I don't want to close it. I'm just going to reload the page, guys. So where's okay, so I just removed my PayPal account, guys. I'm going to open it again. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.